This is TWiT.
2 days ago, AT&T claims that it needed to hit the pause button on a 100-city fiber build-out because of uncertainty over network neutrality rules. Now, the Federal Communications Commission wants the company to explain in detail its plans for this fiber construction. Now, earlier this week, AT&T CEO Randall Stephenson said in an update to investors that, quote, "We can't go out and invest that kind of money deploying fiber to 100 cities, not knowing under what rules those investments will be governed." Of course, he's talking about net neutrality. AT&T has also said that it'll bring fiber to the premises internet service to 2 million additional locations if it's allowed to buy DirecTV. But AT&T hasn't said how many locations it would bring fiber to if the merger is rejected. The net neutrality issue heated up this week when President Obama urged the FCC to reclassify broadband as a utility and prevent internet providers from blocking or throttling content or charging websites for prioritization. Facebook's got a new data center that's up and running in Altoona, Iowa. The new facility is in addition to other centers in Prineville, Oregon, Forest City, North Carolina, and Luleå, Sweden. This is the first of 2 data centers that Facebook is building at this new site in Altoona, and also, notably, the first data center to use Facebook's new high-performance networking architecture, which allows it to run on a single high-performance network, not traditional clusters. Each server pod has 48 server racks, which are then connected to the larger network. Facebook says that through this, it can increase its intra-building network capacity tenfold compared to the old design, and the company believes that a 50x improvement is possible. So, I don't know, status updates were never so fast. IBM is building 2 really massive supercomputers that combine a new supercomputing approach with help from NVIDIA processing accelerators and high-speed networking from Mellanox in a deal with the Department of Energy worth $325 million. Today, the companies and the DOE announced the deal, which will pay for 2 machines, one for civilian research at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee, and one for nuclear weapons simulation at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California. Both supercomputers will have peak performance surpassing 100 petaflops, or a quadrillion calculations per second. IBM will build the overall system using a design that marries main processors from its own power family with Volta accelerators from NVIDIA. The Department of Energy will spend about $100 million on a program called Fast Forward 2 to make next-gen massive-scale supercomputers 20 to 40 times faster than what's available today.